What's going on, everybody? We got Trikefest 2023 tug of war going on. Three-wheelers pulling each other around. This is going to be a neat little video compiled of the tug of war event from Trikefest, and hope you guys enjoy it. Just want to jump in here and say, if you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead. Don't forget, it's free. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this kind of content, throw a comment down in there and tell me what you think about this kind of stuff. I'd really like to know what you guys think, what you want to see. Got some more pulls coming up, so keep on watching.